Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Jonathan Mead out here in Forest Park. So beautiful today. I thought I'd talk to you about something that was just kind of on my mind that I didn't want to let slip through the cracks. And this is about, getting key muscles back online that have gone to sleep. And they end up being these kind of blind spots that keep you stuck in your training. They keep you stuck in your body. They keep you re-injuring yourself over and over. And sadly, they keep you from doing the things that you love. I just finished a 5-mile run out here, and it wasn't too long ago that I thought I would never be able to be a runner. I just thought my body wasn't built for running. I thought it was just too much stress on my body, too high impact, all those things that you hear. And I kind of accepted that. But what I found is that when I actually rebuilt my foundations, and I got my body working the way it's supposed to work, which is actually possible, and I'm gonna tell you how in just a second. But when I actually did this, and I've helped hundreds of people do the same thing, I was able to, surprise myself, and now I can run and just fly through the trails and feel free, and it feels amazing. And I want you to feel that too, whether it's with running, or maybe you wanna do something else. Maybe you're into martial arts and you want to just feel that warrior in you and express that without breaking your body down. Maybe you want to do yoga and just feel that feeling of flow and openness without just exacerbating your joints. Maybe you want to just play with your kids or play sports or go on hikes and adventures, whatever it is. I want you to know there are no bad movements, right? There's just movements your body is prepared for or not prepared for. And what happens is over time, through lack of use or too much sitting or not using your core properly, going through dysfunctional movement patterns, having bad posture, these key muscles in our body, they kind of go to sleep. They get turned off, right? The sciencey word for it is sensory motor amnesia. So your brain literally, because your body's not using that area, it kind of deletes that space in your brain so it can be more efficient, right? Because your brain doesn't like to hold space for things that it's not using. But this causes a lot of problems, right? Because then if you do want to go do things that you love, your body doesn't know how to do it in a way that doesn't create extra stress and extra damage, right? If you take a misaligned body with rounded shoulders and hunched back and tight hips and jacked up hamstrings, and you take it to the gym or for a run or whatever, and you add load and stress, you're just gonna create more damage. It's not gonna be good for you. It's not gonna build you up and make you stronger. So you have to get these key muscles back online. What am I talking about? One of the biggest is the TVA. TVA is the inner corset of the body. It's below the rectus abdominis, the six-pack muscles, and it wraps around all the way to the back and connects to the QL muscles of the lower back. And it provides stability and support. But from lack of use, it gets turned off. And when it's not doing its job, you end up getting back pain. You end up getting tight hips, all sorts of other things. Other muscles like the rhomboids need to get activated. These muscles between your shoulder blades that pull your shoulders back, keep your posture nice and tall. Muscles like the serratus that support your shoulders right here on your rib cage. Those get, sort of sleepy. They become blind spots where if you're not using these key muscles, you end up kind of stuck and you don't know why. So we need to get these back online. We need to get them back working. I want to be honest with you. This does take work. It takes consistency. It takes knowing where to focus. It's not as simple as just searching some stuff on YouTube. It takes knowing where your blind spots are and figuring that out. If you want, you can get help with that, That's certainly something we offer people. That's certainly something we'd love to help you with. But either way, what I want to offer you now is our free training. So if you're interested in learning more about these kind of missing pieces from, these things that mainstream fitness just isn't talking about or addressing, leave a comment and let me know that you want access to this. I'll send you a link and you can check it out. You can see if it feels useful for you. And I have a feeling that if you apply these things, your body's gonna start feeling better. It's gonna start feeling stronger. And you might be surprised that your body feels more capable for all the things that you love to do. One more time. So beautiful, so grateful for this place. Take care. Leave a comment if you want that training, and I'll talk to you soon.